Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a Raspberry Pi. First, ensure your Raspberry Pi is powered on and connected to your network, ready for action. Next, confirm your printer is also powered, loaded with paper, and has sufficient ink or toner. Finally, use a standard USB cable to physically connect your printer directly to one of the USB ports on your Raspberry Pi. This establishes the essential hardware link for our setup. Now, let's get the necessary software. Begin by updating your Raspberry Pi's package list with a simple command. Then, install the Common Unix Printing System, or CUPS, which acts as our print server. After installation, it's crucial to add your current user to the LPadmin group. This grants you the administrative privileges needed to manage printers effectively within the CUPS environment. With CUPS installed, we need to configure it for easy access. First, enable remote administration by editing the CUPS configuration file, allowing you to manage it from any device on your network. After making these changes, restart the CUPS service to ensure they take effect immediately. You can then access the CUPS web interface by navigating to your Raspberry Pi's IP address, followed by port 631 in your web browser. Finally, let's add your printer. Once in the CUPS web interface, click on the Administration tab. From there, select Add Printer and follow the intuitive on-screen prompts to detect and configure your specific printer model. After successfully adding it, print a test page. This crucial step confirms that your printer is correctly installed, configured, and ready to handle all your printing tasks from your Raspberry Pi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.